Timestamp camera. So this can seem like a very simple feature, but as you can see, iPhone doesn't have timestamp feature inside a native camera. So that's why you need to use some third-party app. And this is the app I prefer. So Timestamp Basic. You just basically like your iPhone camera, but you have timestamp in the top right. You can also take video square. There are some settings. You can just do it like that, and then there is menu. So there is video format, all of these things, whatever you like. And then you can just select all of the settings for timestamp in the bottom right. So you can select one line, printable, half font. So you can select something like this. As you can see, the font is changing, input, opacity. So as you can see, something like that. And then just you can also display compass, display map, display altitude, and display printable, one line, timing below, zero margins. So yeah, kind of that's the idea. You can always reset it, and that's just what you have. In the bottom right, you have this setting, and then, for example, if I just take photo, it will appear here like that with the timestamp in the top. Seems like a simple feature, but there you have it. So you can use this app, Timestamp Camera Basic, and then Timestamp Camera Enterprise. I don't know, that's additional app. This app can add non-forged date, time, location, GPS watermark on photo and video. The photo and video will still have watermark of true even if the user changes the time of the phone. So that's the idea. Free apps. So try it out.